Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership. Sign in and go straight to Settings Security. Once there, select two-step verification to begin. Don't delay. Make sure your account email is current and keep your phone or an authenticator app nearby because you will need to receive codes immediately. This step prevents losing access later. If you prefer SMS, choose phone verification. If you want stronger security, pick an authenticator app. Both give you a second factor beyond your password. Once done, decide how you will receive codes, text messages for simplicity, or an authenticator app for stronger protection. If you use an app, scan the QR code or type the 16-digit key manually. Make sure there are no extra spaces. Then, enter the 6-digit code the app displays into Roblox to confirm the pairing. If you chose SMS, enter the code sent to your phone. This step links your second factor to the account, so verify immediately to avoid time. To finish, download or copy your backup codes and store them somewhere safe. These are your fallback if you lose the phone. Then, enable Remember Device only on personal devices. Don't do this on shared or public machines. Make sure to test Sign Out and Sign Back in once to confirm everything works. If you ever get locked out, use a backup code immediately, and if they are gone, contact Roblox support with proof of ownership. That one troubleshooting tip will save you time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.